Good day, everyone. I'm going to recite my first 30 vocabularies of geology and forest soil. Abscisic acid, a plant growth regular which promote leaf abscission, preventing flowering of certain species, promote flowering of other, and inhibits germination of several species where non-dormant cell abscission, shedding periodically of plant structure such as leaves, flowers, and fruits. Absorption, the process of taking in water undissolved substances into the root of any part of a plant system. Acid, a substance with sour taste and can release hydrogen ion in water solution. Action spectrum, a graph relating to the degree of a physiological response caused by the different wavelengths of light. Activation energy, the minimum amount of energy required to start a reaction. Active absorption, an absorption of water and other material involving expenditure of cellular energy. Active mechanism, movement of nutrients that enter to the protoplasm to cement permeable membrane plasma with dispersion of cytoplasm. Active transport, the transport of molecule of ions that cause of cellular. Adenosine triphosphatase, an enzyme that hydrolyzes ATP to form ATP and an inorganic phosphate and catalyzed in reverse reaction of ATP formation. Adenosine triphosphate or ATP, a nucleoside triphosphate of adenosine closely related to ADP and a major source of usable chemical of energy of metabolism. Aerobic respiration, the respiration of energy occurring in the presence of free oxygen. Alcohol, an organic compound which is contain one or more hydroxy group bounded in aliphatic carbon in atoms. Alluron, a granule of protein and enzyme present in a peptide of plant. Algin, a commercially valuable gelatinous substance obtained of cell wall of brown algae. Alkaloid, an organic compound produced by the plants which has alkaline properties that is poisonous, insoluble, crystallized compound. Amino acid, the primary component of proteins which is containing amino group that link together by peptide bonds. Amylase, an enzyme capable of converting starch to sugar via hydrolysis. Anabolism, a metabolic reaction in which molecules are linked together using a building of new cells as well as a repair of old and damaged cells. Anaerobic respiration, a respiration of which oxygen is not involved in the process. Assimilation, the process of taking inorganic substances converting in protoplasm and cell walls. Atom, a smallest unit of an element that can participate in chemical reaction. Alloxin, plant hormone that characterized by its ability to promote an enlargement and elongation of plant cells. Base, a substance which is bitter taste and can release hydroxide ions in water solution. Bolting, excessive steam elongation. Buffer solution, a solution that can resist abrupt changes in acidity or alkalinity. Calvin cycle, a cycle which is involved in incorporation of carbon dioxide into the glucose through cyclic series of enzymatic reaction. Active transport, the transport of molecule or ions across the cell membrane against the concentration laden with the expenditure of energy. Adenine, a nitrogenous base found in the DNA and RNA. Adenosine diphosphate or ADP, a nucleoside diphosphate of adenosine which is involved in the transfer of energy during the respiration. Adenosine monophosphate or AMP, a compound from the hydrolysis of adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate